Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. It's day 100. Can you believe it? I can't. So, in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this triple fold pocket booklet. And I want to show it to you. We've got the tie. It's a nice green satin ribbon. On the outside, I went ahead and did some stenciling. You'll see all that during the process. And when we open it up, we've got 3 pockets and 3 little pieces of paper that can be written on. So cute, right? I love how this one turned out. It's just so cute. It's going to fit perfect in my mini gratitude collab journal. The gratitude collab is going on this month and I'm super excited about that. I have a printable kit. That's what I've used here, not these houses, but this right here is part of the printable kit. And so you can go over to my Etsy shop and grab that. And then I've got some freebies in my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts, and you can grab those over there if you'd like to. Friends, today you're going to need an 8.5 by 11 or similar. I am working in a small journal right now, so I'm going to use something much smaller than that. You'll also want additional coordinating paper or cardstock for your smaller pockets, scoring tool or a bone folder, and glue or tape and embellishments. So as mentioned, I'm starting with a smaller piece of paper because I'm working in a mini journal for my gratitude collab. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to fold this into 3 equal parts. And the instructions say to fold like a brochure, and some brochures fold like this and they close, you know, they open and close like this, and then some fold like a Z, like an accordion, but I'm going to go like this for now today, and at least until we get further into this. I can always refold them, it's no big deal. Before I go any further, I am going to go ahead and do some stenciling on the outside here. I think that looks super pretty. Fantastic. All right, now we're going to flip back over. We're going to glue small pockets to the inside panels, and these are our 3 panels. Okay, my friends? I wanted to mention while I'm gluing this little pocket on that this is part of my Gratitude Collab printable kit, which you can find in my Etsy shop. And I've been neglecting to tell you guys that there are freebies in my Facebook group. At least I think I've been neglecting to tell you that. So there are Gratitude Collab freebies in my Facebook group. And my kit is called Cozy Autumn. This little piece of ephemera comes with the kit also, and it matches this image down here. So I'm actually going to use this as a pocket. I am going to have to cut it to size though. So if we put it right here, the edge of our paper is here, so I'm going to have to cut it right there. Go ahead and give it a little ink on that edge, and it's a tiny pocket, but it's a tiny journal, so that's what we have to expect, right? And then I am going to glue it right along the bottom. Try not to take up too much room with the glue because the pocket is already very small. Okay, so I'm going to pop this right over here. There we go. So I've got 2 pockets in so far. And I'm going to add this one as an upper pocket just to mix it up a little bit. All right, my friends, it's time to fill our little pockets. So we've got a little pocket over here that needs to be filled. I think that looks so cute. And then I have a little pocket up here that needs to be filled. So there that is, fitting in there very nicely. And then we have one over here, and I'm wondering which one looks the best over here. Maybe the one with the flowers. Let me make sure I folded that straight. It's a little bit crooked. And there we go. We've got this one that can, oh yeah, that looks nice. So there's the inside. I'm in love with that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and close it. There we go, just like that. And on the back, I am going to, is this long enough? This is not long enough. Let me find some ribbon or something that's long enough. Okay, my friends, I found some more. I'm going to go ahead and glue this onto the back. And I think I'll use hot glue. Well, maybe not. Hold on a second. Need to put a new glue stick in there. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, we're going to flip it over. And when I tie bows, and I don't know why, guys, but when I tie bows, if I don't flip them upside down like this, they always turn out upside down. But if I flip it over and then make my bow, these little parts that hang down stay in the proper direction. And it must have been from when I learned how to tie shoes or something that that messed me up. I don't know. So at any rate, my friends, there it is. It's so cute. And then, oops, this can slide into anything, a belly band, a pocket, anything that you wanted. This is a great, fun, sort of mobile pocket, if you will. And I'm super happy with it. And I hope that you are too. I hope you like it. Please go check out Cindy's channel today and see what she came up with. I can't wait to run over there and check it out myself. All right, my friends. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you got to see all of the videos. If you didn't, there's a playlist and it has both my and Cindy's 100 Days of Pockets on it. So thank you so much for your support and for being here. I truly, truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.